another new property tour with this exclusive property listing here at the Lisay City Center. This 350 square meter lot area offers 4 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath, and an exciting features. This property is powered 100% by solar and with its security features. The open floor plan layout on the ground floor will give you your space that really fits your personality. A generous size surface area. Bond your connections with your culinary creations on this. Indulge in movie nights and celebrations without limits to your soundproof entertainment area. This property also has a pool. This pool has 2 entry points and it has its own shower. An area space designed for connection, not your ordinary second floor area. Detailed intricate interior designs. Let's check the rooms of this property. Look at the intricate wall design. Each junior bedrooms are generously sized and has its own toilet and bath and cabinetries for their storage needs. With a breathtaking view and a veranda in this area, you can never get bored. Now let's check the second bedroom of this floor area. Just look at the view. Wall sliding doors will open you to a facade of an amazing overlooking view of the cities of Dalisay and Cebu. Now let's check the features of the master's bedroom. It has its own walk-up closet and toilet and bath. And it has its own veranda. Your green overlooking home awaits in Talisay. So if you're interested to know more about this property, don't hesitate to message me or leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button to keep you updated on my upcoming house tours and videos. See ya!